Let me show you that how you can build your first $1 million website and sell to your client, and they're going to give you a bunch of money for building an application like this. So I'm going to give you all the resources which you need to develop this, whether you are a coder, non-coder. All you need an AI tool and this particular prompt which you can use it to generate $1 million website. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and the last project which I'm going to show you, that is absolutely gold. So you will find that this is the very first $1 million website I have. You will find that it has a beautiful element, beautiful architecture. You will find the menu, we have this interactive element, all the information, and if you scroll down you will find that we have this beautiful animation going on. If you go further down you will find the text is getting highlighted, and you will have all of this. Then we have the services section, and we have the project section which you can have a look. So this is the first $1 million website. Just watch it. I'll show you that how you can generate it in just few clicks. That's the first one. And if I come back to the second one, we have this beautiful landing page for brain and body. We have this navigation section, we have the download button, and you can explore, and you have this beautiful animated sky, and the text is going to be upward. So you can control that motion. Like if you are non-coder, you can do that exactly the way I'm going to show you. So this is the one you have. And you will have the second one, like you will find this beautiful animation. This model looks absolutely great. You will find this entire black hole. We are zooming into the black hole, and you will see it looks absolutely beautiful. So you're going to have this one, and you will find this other information. This llama is also there. So this is the second $1 million website. All the resources I'm going to provide, just stick to this video till the end. If you come back to the next one, we have this one. So this one is we have built for curiosity, and you will find that this is the beautiful animation is going on. It's looking like a galaxy moving all around. So this is the first and the last, the element we have the navigation section, and we have the elements. So if you come back to the fourth one, we have this beautiful innovative model where we are discussing about the AI and the design system which we have here. So this is the fourth one we have. If you come back to the fifth one, this is the beautiful element, beautiful website, beautiful animation is getting into forward, and you will find that this all looks absolutely incredible. So that's also there. If you come back to the next one, we have this one. So this one is my favorite one. So what I will do, I'll simply scroll down, and you will find that we have this beautiful. So you can sell this to I or a creative platform or an agency. That's what you will find. If you come back to the next one, you will have this one, intelligence. So you will find that this is going to zoom out and zoom in. So if you're building any product for digital, you can check that. If you come back to the next one, you will have this neural link. So you will find this neural link. You have this hand which will come forward, and you will have this looks. Now if you go back to the last one, we have this for security, and we have this sliding which is happening on the moon. So this is really powerful. I'm going to provide you all the resources. So you will find all the resources which I'm going to provide. Just wait, and there you can see all the structure which we have implemented. Now let's come back to the main discussion. So you have seen all of this project which I have shown you, and how every single thing is working. Literally you can generate this with the help of the AI, and I have done the same thing. But I just want to ask you one thing, like you have probably found this type of video on YouTube where they have made this kind of claim that if you use this prompt, use this AI, you can generate $1 million website and you can sell it to your client. But have you ever asked them that how much money they have generated? Because who's going to buy this? Like it's good to have this simple design where you have this particular model, but do you really think that someone is going to pay $1 million for this? And what exactly happening? What business logic which you are implementing into this? It's a simple landing page. It has a good design. Someone is going to really pay you 100K or 200K or $200 or $400 for this kind of things. If you come back to the next one, you will find that this is the beautiful landing page. You can take the design inspiration, and the color model is there. Absolutely insane. But do you really believe that you're going to pay that much money for application just like this? The kind of claim you have seen on YouTube. And that's the really disgusting part about this AI, what is happening right now in the developer community. Like you don't need to be a coder to design a application just like this. Okay, you can do that. There's no problem in it. But what feature you are implementing? This is just a simple landing page. Like anybody can achieve this kind of styling. It would take like weeks to have all of this, but now you, with the help of the AI, you can generate in quickly. But if you don't have the idea that how every single things work behind the scene in terms of optimization, security, and the business logic, like no one is going to take this blank landing page which has no feature. If you talk about the next one, like this looks very creative. It's good to show your creativity skills, your understanding, but what's the benefit of this? If you come back to the next one, like you will have this one, go back to the next one, This is a beautiful element which you can implement in your website. But do you really think that someone is going to pay that much money for a feature, for an application just like this? Or if you come back here, like this one is really beautiful. This will test your skill, that how good you can be in the front end part and how much deep knowledge you will have. But if you think that you are a non-coder and you will generate an application just like this by giving a prompt and building a feature without going into deeper, and someone is going to pay you $1 million or 100K or 200K or 500K for application just like this, then you are delusional. If I come back to the next one, this is good. The design system is good. So as a developer, what do you have to do? Like, you can take the inspiration of this architecture which they have included in this particular demo. You can take the inspiration, you can read the prompt which they have used and how they have developed it, and based on that you can implement in your system design. Because most of the applications which you will find that they're not using this kind of fancy things. If you look at Apple or any big tech company, you will understand that what kind of architecture they're following. It's good to show in the fancy way that you have built something, but it has no real use case. Like, you can develop this with the help of the AI, but at the end of the day you are not learning anything. You are just wasting your time. You are using these AI tools and giving a simple prompt, and you think that you learn to build a website by just giving the prompt. You have no idea that how prompt exactly work. Random prompt, and when it's come to a detailed prompt where you will have the full control over the AI, that how it's going to write the code. So understand, don't try to be in this bubble that you don't need to learn the things to build. You have to know. If you don't understand, you're going to be in a big trouble. The reason why I started this video in a sarcasm way, because I got fed up with watching the same kind of tone, same kind of thumbnails over and over again. The kind of engagement they are getting is absolutely insane, the kind of videos they are making. And every single day they are coming with the same structure with a little bit of modification. Like, these AI tools are just like an application. The way you use application is exactly the same way. But if you don't know, when you are technical, if you look at the technicality and technical perspective, then there is a lot of concern. So again, I don't want to extend this video, because if you have watched this far, you got my point that what exactly you have to do if you are a developer, if you want to become a developer in 2026 or beyond. Because right now, mark my word, in future we're going to have a lot of like there's going to be a huge developer shortage, because right now the learning, like those new developers are not giving time on their skills, they're not learning, and due to that they're not able to understand the AI infrastructure and how they can use the AI in better way. Like, those who are in the field, they know how to use it, how to control it, and where you have to use it. Because if you look at the features we provide in most of the application, like, it's going to be have the similar feature. If you are building a LLM model, if you are building a payment gateway, if you are building a real estate calling agent, it has a similar structure where you have to do the authentication, build a security model, check the use case, check the subscription model, then you have to do the authentication of the key, and then you have to provide the access. So it has a different structure which you can easily be able to follow. So you have to understand those structure, and when you're going to work on the project, you're going to optimize those structure based on the performance, based on the scalability, and based on the feature and the business you are involved in. So try to be rational. Don't try to be in this kind of delusion. It's going to take a lot of your take your precious time from you. So I hope you have got the idea that what exactly I want to convey and how these things will work. Like, this is just a normal. You are not developing any skill at all. You are just wasting your hour, your week, your month watching the same repetitive video and using the tool to generate this kind of model. It's just a hero section. If you really want to go into deeper, you have to know how you can design this system and carry out forward, so not break. When you are building in the back end, when you are building in the front end, when you are building the security model, you have to understand that. Okay, so that's the only thing I want to cover. If you have any question, any doubt, just let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.